All right, my people, how are there? You know, say every week we dey bring you the back-to-back things with the shele from the Big Brother house. And yes, now shine your eye season. Things they happen, and if you close eye, you go lost. Well, we able to talk to the evicted housemates. If we enter, they go cause problem because I able to talk to the cause problem. Because if they no cause problem, people know for say me there, but make we leave them. We're here with the beautiful, delectable ladies. The ladies they do alright. They're hot. They're savvy. They're fresh. The one and only Princess and Aaron. How you doing? What's going on? What's going on?
I'm good.
Why you on the blush like this? What's happening now?
I'm alright.
Aaron, how you doing?
Good, happy, you know, feeling everything.
You're feeling all the vibe.
Exactly.
It makes sense. It makes sense. Well, make not to waste time because they time us for here. So yeah, we don't get it. But Princess. We'll start from you because now you day closer to me. We'll start from you. How you take see this the whole 3 weeks where you did the house? How you take see? Waiting be your highlights for the moment where you did it.
Well, the 3 weeks I spent in the Big Brother house now, like, okay, it's been like the most amazing weeks of my life. Like the experience, having experienced the show, like now waiting, I won't do, like I've always wanted to experience the show, like, so being in the house was like a dream come true for me. So like, and I'm very, very appreciative for that platform and opportunity, like.
Makes sense. We been see say you drop some exiting words as you come out. No, I don't say talk. We go yarn about that one, don't worry, because people won't know as the matter want to be. So Ari, we'll come to you now. Your 3 weeks in the house. What's your highlights?
Well, okay, so I mean, I loved my favorite moments were like the parties and the tasks. Yes. Right. I loved like meeting these amazing people, and like I loved the people that I hung out with all the time. You know, my friends. I loved them so much. Yeah, it was just beautiful all the way, all around.
So if you get opportunity to go do something again, what you do for the house, you know, to like. You get something you go feel and say I won't change.
Nope, absolutely not. Everything I did, I'm doing the exact same. I might even go harder, self.
Back to back, you don't talk about session, I even go harder. All right, so Princess, looking at the way you take enter, because we watch you as you do your things, and you talk say you be one kind of exceptional person who they do anything ladies that they normally do, or not be the regular kind of job women they do. In fact, say you get a car where they run.
Yeah.
So how that one take be for you? See, say this is not the kind level you used to enter. Sure, you feel say you affect any way in your strategy for the game, or how it takes you?
You know, affect me in any way, and there was no strategy for me.
Okay.
Like affect me in it. That was me being Princess. Whatever, anything we wanna see for the house, now Princess be that. Nothing like aside from maybe the first 1 week where they try know the house before I go exactly. So that was me, and it didn't affect me. Of course, I'm proud of what I do. I'm a taxi driver, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud to say it anywhere, anytime. So like, and that was like to inspire the young ladies out there to like. You can do anything. Make you know let person tell you say, oh, na man job be this, you know if you do am.
Makes sense. And it's good that we hear say as you come out, there's still things happen based on that cab level. Say some kind. I don't know whether that's true. I say they can ask you. Say they don't give you new motor when you receive am. I don't know.
I bet wait the motor.
Make you know to talk. Because people they talk say you don't. Say okay. Where did they see all this?
I never see anything.
You never see anything.
I never see anything.
Confirm. So Aaron now. Looking at the whole level, we don't say you be one very exceptional personality, judging from the way you did for the house. And you get some kind of times when you go back to back with some kind of people. Say some kind of beginning day. Was it intentional or it just happened based on say spur of the moment you react? That's what you do.
Exactly. I'm very emotional and I'm reactive. If you say something I don't like it, I'm going to respond immediately. That's what that was.
So you know if you say it will affect the game based on
if you affect the game, you affect the game on and the game you.
So you want to tell me say you don't get strategy when you used to enter the house?
Not one bit, because I know the type of person I am, and if I have a strategy, I will make a gaffe, I will make a mistake. So it was best for me to be myself.
So looking at it now, say they're nominating a common side, they're editing a common side. Now if you say any part of the way you be cause or affect the fact that you don't stay in the house longer, you feel that way?
I know the audience. I know the people that are watching me. I know how they think.
So I already knew this before, regardless. Like, I already knew what was going to happen. It's just like, is what it is. And it's also like many people have been saying, we're kind of two-minded or hypocritical. We really like something and then we don't, and then we do. So it's not really one way.
Looking at the house now, the way it take be, you know, say they carry people in, they bring people out, so they change people and all that.
Thank you.
The whole level, if you say people did the house, where they come in with strategy, if you say people did, we could just enter there with plans, and so I want to run. You feel so?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, because you went out without your strategy, you came in as you are.
Exactly.
You don't see other people just enter like that.
Yeah, we have some strong gamers in the house. So Pere, Maria, White Money, gaming.
Pere, Maria, and White Money in particular. How you say, and these two people, you sure say you feel say they play game?
They're playing a game, yes. They play, and they play and well.
Even liquor.
They play and well, very well.
Wow.
Yeah.
So as a White Money, people they talk say now because they cook for everybody. You feel say now in strategy with them.
If you be saying in strategy, if not in strategy, that's fine. It's good to have a strategy. It's a game. It's good to have to program your mind on a particular thing. So if cooking for the housemates is a strategy, then that's fine. It's working for me.
So speaking about, you said it's good to have a strategy, but you know enter with strategy.
I don't enter with strategy. That is me. Like every other person is allowed. I'm allowed to enter with a strategy, but I decided to just be me. So 9 be the thing.
Well, because some people they talk say, if you don't, you get one way you enter, you may be reserved for some kind of time. Was it that you just try to observe people and so you be naturally, you know, just like to be?
At first, I try observe people, and secondly, na still so I be because like I not be loud person. Okay. I'm actually a very quiet person. So like if I get into a space, I like to understand my environment before I can start relating with people. So that's me. No.
So now why you go tell everybody say the person with the question? I think you go tell everybody you don't tell the person, but no one. You go yarn that one. So Arin, more even discuss small relationship matter for that house because those people are seeing our ships full everywhere.
Yeah.
People they enter, people they fall out,
Exactly.
they anchor, they scatter, they knock each other.
Oh my God.
As in, it's not just easy. So you, Arin, you get involved in any ship by any time. I don't talk say you do. You ain't tell people say who tell you. I ask, you get involved in any ship by any time?
No.
Or any way, or any triangle? May we know.
Well, you can say that there were men that I liked, like I found them attractive and I vibed with them and they were my friends. If that's what you're calling ship.
That one said
but everybody had their own random different, I don't know, groups and like cliques or whatever. Yeah.
But looking at the ships we did now, if you say not be just cruise, or if you say the ships go last, you see any ship where you think say go last beyond the house, if you look at none at all. Princess, you call.
I foresee Saga and Nini. I foresee Saga and Nini, but Nini already has a thing outside. So, but I just know that Saga genuinely likes Nini.
So no hope for Saga.
I don't know.
Yeah, Saga, it don't be for you. But you now, as you come out now, you drop one bomb for us. Say, you basically say you don't tell big brother already. You just say you drop them out there.
Yes.
Okay, so if Mr. Crocs come outside now, say how far, where you show up, what thing go happen?
No, I don't see anything happen between me and God outside the house. It was just, I just say, okay, I like this guy.
Now, you don't know whether you can.
No, and I just say, oh, I like this guy. So if to say I did this house, like for the sake of like I did the house and this na person why I like, maybe something like friendship for happen inside the house. I don't know. Maybe if to say it happen, if for fit continue outside, I don't know. Maybe, but it no happen. So like I don't know. I don't.
So judging on that, you mean say any issue where they the house will stay the house, and when they come, everybody will be alright. You feel so?
Some people, if you get issue with them for house, like me, if I get issue with you for house, we'll come out. Like the game is over. Let's move on. If you get anything we want to do together, we'll do. We'll not let because say, oh, me and you shout at one point. Then the thing will affect whatever it is we want to do at that time. Let's leave it. Whatever happens in the house stays in the house. No, we leave and like that for me.
For you?
Yeah, that's for me. But
Arin, you call. Because we don't say you and Maria have been get some kind of Basbos situation. If you say
Basbos?
If you say
no. Okay, so Maria and I, what happened was we were she was my first friend in the house. Actually, Nini wasn't my first friend. Neither was Peace. So it was Maria, and I'm not sure how she felt, but like maybe it was mutual. I don't even I don't know. But like she approached me on Tuesday and she was like, oh, Irene, I just wanted to apologize for being fake with you. I thought you were being fake with me, but I just realized you were being real the whole time. And I wanted to apologize because like, you know, I don't want to be fake. And I was very surprised by that information. I was just like, oh my God, what did she just say to me? And it really shocked me. And it actually took me some time to process it, but I just know she's a gamer, that's it.
The people we don't get issues with now, they come out.
Perry can stay away from me, all the way over there. Yes. Every other person is fine.
What's the Perry doing way the best lady?
No, okay, it's not even about that. No. I hugged him like twice on Tuesday, on Sunday.
Twice.
Literally, I hugged him twice
3
before.
weeks. Twice.
No. Twice on the same day. Isn't that?
That's improvement.
Yeah, exactly,
Okay.
that's improvement.
Yeah,
For the people that are saying that I ignored his hug or something, I didn't see him, I would have hugged him. I don't care. It's actually like, I actually don't have that much strong negative emotions towards Perry. It's just that I know that we can't be friends.
But it's good so you don't clear them, you don't yarn them as much.
Exactly.
It's very good to be open with that. But looking at the game now, Maria be head of house. I believe so when I know as matter they be.
Yes.
How on take the level based on say she be head of house and the small controversy where they throw inside.
I don't know why they love Maria so much, but like she's just the only. They're like letting her play the game. Like she has like one up. I don't understand why. Like now everybody has to suck up to her for the entire week. Mad content for Maria.
Yes, sir. Princess, what do you feel? You feel say if now you they give this opportunity, waiting for you to do.
I mean the Maria.
If say you did that head of house, tell you say if you evict 2 people at the end of the week, putting with how you can tell them.
But you know, say they don't already tell me say I know there will be no eviction. So I know say eviction no go there. So I will just play by the rules. Like Big Brother already talk say if you carry out this task well, there will be a reward. So nobody know what is the reward. So for the fact say reward day, oh my God, execute them.
I should say if na Aaron, you come outside, pray where you come and do that. Hands up, because if you move,
exactly.
You see?
I put him in the toilet for the week. Clean it. Yes.
Brush.
Exactly.
Wow. This is wahala. But it's all good. Then looking at how the game they play out, I know say a lot of things they happen, unexpected things they happen, and yes, it's good that So moving forward now, Aaron, for your fans, what would they expect from you as you don't come up with that?
Okay. I will be launching shows, art shows, art dealing. If you need any contemporary art, contact your girl via D-Cell. Launching a collection, of course, for Arinola Black. You guys know my brand, and tie-dye shop. And then like I started script writing as well. Maybe I'll get into production. I also do costume design for like artists, like music videos, things like that. Just working with creatives and collaborating, really.
Makes sense. Well, a full package with that. As in, you're ready, you plan and come. So, Princess, you what we expect from you as matter take this?
Not me now. I'm all out for the car.
Based on the car.
Business. I've been real business woman. So, definitely, I will like pursue my taxi app. Like, yes, I want to create a taxi app where other drivers can register and then we make them less.
So they are affordable
for people. And basically that's just to encourage people, you know, ahead. So and then I have like other businesses where I want to also like my restaurants. Yes, I'm definitely going to open a restaurant and then a cosmetic shop. I want to have a cosmetic business. So definitely I'm going to.
That's when I don't write all the plans that say the fast we are coming out, we are doing this and this and this. But the good thing you get plans as it don't matter they do so. So the game has been we always ask the housemates will come outside, who wanna feel say you carry this money. Most start who you feel say if they live on to you, if you want to select, who be your favorite, who you think say you carry this?
If they live on to me, one person I'll be like options.
One person.
One person. I like my guy, white money.
White money.
White money.
Okay, Aaron, you go.
I'm not.
They live on to you. One person who you think say will carry this money go out.
Okay, who I think or who I'm rooting for. Those are two different things.
Okay, let's do it in an English manner. Who are you rooting for? Maybe start from there.
I'm definitely rooting for my girl Nini.
Nini, Abi?
Yeah.
But who you think say will carry it? Liquor Rose. This is real. But it's alright. The good thing clear them like that. And definitely we'll be looking out for you guys as things they come up. Look out for your own packages and good come. They will follow on our social media handles as usual. And make you see the updates of things they do. Hey, Perry, Make wahala not deal. But it's all good. You good to join us today to yarn this matter.
Thank you so much for having us.
We're looking out for you guys.
you.
Alright guys, and I don't hear the matter. Definitely, it's all love here, and we'll bring on all the houses after they come out. Let's get this information. Let's clear some doubts. All those matter we talk. No clear them. No talk. Say we hear. We hear from the horse's mouth as usual. We'll see you on the next time with the next set of amazing people. We're gonna have a beautiful day. Alright? Now, my name is Naija. We'll be seeing you.